Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off email alerts for saved searches on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn off email notifications or email alerts for your saved searches on eBay. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is you're going to open up the eBay app, and then the next thing that you're going to do is that you want to click on My eBay on the bottom left hand corner. Next you want to click on Save Search, and then from here you're going to see a list of your saved searches. You want to click on the three dots of the saved search which you want to turn off email notifications for. So for this particular saved search, Japanese Pokemon card 36, you can see that I have email alerts toggled on. You want to go ahead and toggle that off. But that right there guys is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off email alerts for a saved search on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below.